Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up macOS Ventura privacy permissions for apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start setting up privacy permissions for apps in macOS Ventura, first, open the system. Click on the Apple logo located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. In the sidebar, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. You will see a list of different permissions on the right side. Begin with Location Services to control which apps can access your location. Turn on Location Services by toggling the switch if it's off. Select the apps you want to allow access to your location. Next, go back and look for Camera. Click on Camera to see which apps have requested access. Toggle the switches for the apps you want to grant camera access. Now, return to the Privacy and Security menu and select Microphone. Here, you can manage which apps can use your microphone. Again, toggle the switches for the desired apps. Next, scroll down to Photos to manage access to your pictures. Choose which apps have permission to access your photo library. If you want to manage access to your files and folders, click on Files and Folders. Review the list and grant permissions as needed. Finally, if any app requests additional permissions while using it, a prompt will appear. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to adjust permissions as needed. Once you have configured all the settings, you can close the system settings. Your privacy permissions are now set up for your apps in macOS Ventura. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.